Playing the legendary roguelike NetHack and curious about NH files in your game directory? These store game state and dungeon data for one of the deepest games ever made. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these NetHack game data files contain and how they work. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling NH files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. An NH file is associated with NetHack, a classic and highly influential roguelike video game. These files can store various game-related data such as player configurations, save states, or logs of a game session. Players encounter these files when customizing their game or managing save progress. The file is typically a plain text or simple binary format, designed for easy parsing by the game engine. Its structure is utilitarian, prioritizing speed and simplicity over complexity. This allows the game, which originated in a resource-constrained environment, to quickly read and write game state information. For the NH file type, NetHack from the NetHack dev team is a trusted and reliable source. Windows cannot natively resolve the external dependencies of this proprietary file. Windows cannot interpret most game file content, so opening or using them requires the game or dedicated tools. Begin the search for the correct application handler. Right-click the NH file and choose Open With. Use NetHack first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is necessary for all stubborn file errors. If the NH file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Since the initial fixes failed, we need to treat this as a deep technical challenge. Execute these key tests on common failure points to find where the problem begins. First, loading in NetHack. Place NH save files in NetHack's save directory, which varies by platform, typically in your user folder under NetHack Dire or similar. Launch NetHack, and the game automatically detects existing saves offering to continue your character. Save files are tied to specific NetHack versions, so version mismatches prevent loading older saves. Next, inspecting save data. Open NH files in a hex editor like HXD only for educational purposes, since NetHack uses encoding to deter casual save scumming. The community considers save editing a personal choice, though traditional roguelike spirit favors permadeath. Source code and NetHack distribution documents the save format for serious researchers and developers. Finally, backing up progress. Copy NH files to a backup location before risky in-game decisions, if you want to preserve progress against unexpected character death. While this circumvents the roguelike permadeath philosophy, it remains a personal choice. Most NetHack purists play strictly with one save file, accepting permanent character loss as part of the authentic roguelike experience. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of file magic. Get the download link at filemagic.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.